In this video, we look at trading options on Merrill Edge. Did you know that options trading can be a complex and risky endeavor, even for experienced investors? Let's consider two fascinating facts. Firstly, options trading has witnessed a surge in popularity, with the number of active options contracts traded daily reaching unprecedented levels. Secondly, while options trading can offer significant profit potential, it's also associated with heightened risk. By the way, you need a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals. See the links in the description box below. Let's continue with the video. Merrill Edge, a prominent online brokerage platform, provides a range of tools and resources for options traders. One of the standout features is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both novice and experienced traders. The platform offers a variety of order types, including market, limit, stop, and trailing stop orders, allowing traders to execute trades based on their specific strategies. One of the most frequently mentioned criticisms of Merrill Edge's options trading platform is its user interface. Many users have found the platform to be clunky, slow, and difficult to navigate, especially compared to other popular options trading platforms. This can be frustrating for traders who need to execute trades quickly or make complex option strategies. Another common complaint is Merrill Edge's customer service. While some users have reported positive experiences with customer service, others have found it difficult to reach a knowledgeable representative or resolve issues promptly. This can be particularly problematic for traders who need assistance with complex options trades or who encounter unexpected problems. On the positive side, Merrill Edge does offer some advantages for options traders. The firm provides a wide range of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars, that can help new and experienced traders learn more about options trading. Merrill Edge also offers a variety of research tools, such as market scanners and option calculators, that can assist traders in making informed decisions. In addition, Merrill Edge's low trading fees and integration with Bank of America can be attractive to some investors. The firm offers commission-free stock and ETF trading, which can help to reduce costs for active traders. Additionally, Merrill Edge customers can easily access their bank accounts and other financial products through the same platform. Overall, whether Merrill Edge is the right choice for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you are a beginner or casual options trader who values educational resources and low fees, Merrill Edge may be a good option. However, if you are an active trader who requires a sophisticated platform and responsive customer service, you may want to consider other options.